house party. That's true. Can you believe it? I actually watched that movie. That was a funny movie. That was funny.
It's good that you're not asking. We'll be there soon.
Hey Rachel, what do you think about your first camping trip?
I want to play horseshoes!
What do you think about your first camping trip?
Her eyes got real wide.
I want to play horseshoes!
I told Rachel
that's a good call.
She asks when we're playing, we wait 5 more minutes.
What's up, ladies?
She's experienced with that rule.
Frickin' frack.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, dude. Having fun yet?
Wait.
You don't have to, dude.
Here, wait a minute. Let's go in here.
Oh my God! What are you seeing there? Anything moving? Any movement? Those creepy crawlies.
Wait a
You know
minute.
what? Be in there anymore than you know.
Wow.
He's loving it.
Guys, measure my daddy's hair.
Yeah, but you're rubbing all the bugs in though, Paige. They're all in your fingers now.
Wipe it on his face, bugs in there.
No.
Hi, honey.
What's that song go? Ain't no bugs in there. Ain't no bugs.
Do it to me. I know where to hide in the tent.
Nah, don't go in the tent, girls.
I'll go in the tent, but take your shoes off.
Did you get the campsite?
Did you get that jug up by the side of our tent?
Why are you moving so fast?
Shoes off, girls.
Don't forget to zip it closed, and the daddy long legs are gonna come in.
We really need tunage.
If we're going over there, though, do we have a CD player? Hey, the one you made for me. Ow. What's on it?
Bang, bang, choo-choo train. Ready? Bang, bang, choo-choo train. Come on, boys, let's win this game. Out whoosh.
Turn that down.
Out whoosh. Bang, bang, choo-choo train. Come on, boys, let's win this game. Out whoosh. Out whoosh.
Woo, yeah, whoa!
One more.
You guys are bona fide cheerleaders.
Oh, wait. One, we are the Hawks. Ready? One, we are the Hawks. Two, and then I'm in it. Three, I still can't hear you. More. One, we are the Hawks. Two, and then I'm in it. Three, I still can't hear you. Four, more. One.
Woo!
That was it. That's it.
So,
That was great, girls. That was
Coach,
awesome. I think you
Hi!
Coach Rachel,
I think you should go teach.
that was a great job. Thank you very much. You did good work.
Yeah, come here,
And this is your cheerleading squad? All right, you guys did awesome. So, Olivia, so what do you think about your cheerleading squad?
Good.
Good? Paige, how about you?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, good? Anna,
It's great.
fantastic. Excellent. Nice job, girls.
Yay!
Hey, girls, want to dance?
Woo!
Hey, turn that up a little bit.
Ready? Like this. Wait, Rachel, can I be with you? I'm in thanks. Dip. Ah, woo! Yeah! Oh yeah! Let's clear now.
All right.
So what do you think about all this, David? Is this great or is this great?
Well, I'm now entering the poker lair.
The Ring of Fire.
Ring of Fire.
The Ring of Fire.
But I really think that what you should do is hand the camera off to me so at least you can get into it.
Just take a self-portrait.
That's real scary.
Alright, that just ended the good video.
Hold on to me.
Guys, don't run near the fire.
That's what editing is for.
Do not run near the fire, girls.
Hold on to me, everybody.
You're talking me, kid.
Hold on to me. Sunshine.
And rain.
Big dog.
Joy. Come on, everybody.
And pain.
Sunshine. What else in rain?
And rain.
Give it to him, Robert.
Okay. One. We are the hot. Two. No, Lydia. One. No, you said when I said. One. One. Lydia. You said what? You said what I said. Okay. I will. Get your mouth ready, okay? What? Get your mouth ready. One. We are the Hawks. Two. A little bit louder. Three. I still can't hear you. Four. More. One. We are the Hawks. Two. A little bit louder. Three. I still can't hear you. Four. More. One. Bang, bang, choo choo train. Come on, boys, let's win.
Only instead of $3,000, we're talking $788. $2,000 pillow tops.
Hey, girls, let's have a ball for Coach Rachel.
75% off.
What about me?
There